This dance is called All About Tonight. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting off on our right foot. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, no weight on that left. Step back to the side on the left, touch the right beside the left. We're going to chasse to the right. Now these are slightly quicker timing steps. They are 1 and 2 timing steps as opposed to 1, 2, 3. A side, close, side. So it's side, close, side. Rock back on that left, recover the weight on the right. So that's our first little section. Let's try that once more, half on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, left, right, chasse, back, rock. I'll get my rights and lefts around the right way in a minute. Repeat those steps, but with the left foot leading. So it's left to the side, touch the right, right to the side, touch the left. Chasse to the left, side, close, side, rock back on that right, recover the weight on the left. Put those 2 sections together. Side touches, travelling to the right. 7, 8, side, touch, right chasse, back, rock, side, touch, left chasse, back, rock. Next step is a rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on our right, so the right foot moves forward, recover the weight back on the left, move the right foot back, rock back on that right, recover the weight back on the left. So that's your rocking chair. A rock forward, rock back. Make sure you actually recover your weight back onto what I tend to call like the pivot leg, because it's the leg that doesn't move. From there, walk forward 4 steps. Right, left, left. So let's add that on to the start. Side touches and our vine to the right. Off on that right foot. 7, 8. Side, touch, chasse, back, rock. Side, touch, chasse, back, rock. Rocking chair. Walk, 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 walk. From here we're going to do another rocking chair. Same foot leading. So we rock forward on the right, recover the weight on that left, rock back on that right, recover the weight on the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a half turn left. So you'll move pivoting on your toes, the weight transfers back onto that left foot. Stomp your right forward, which is through the heel, not through the base of the foot, and stomp the left beside the right. So that last little section, starting off with that rocking chair, rocking forward on the right, so it's forward rock, and a back rock, which is your rocking chair, step forward on the right, pivot a half turn left, stomp right, stomp left. And you start the dance again. So let's put it all together. Side touches, and chasse, off to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, touch, right chasse, back, rock, side, touch, left chasse, back, rock. Rocking chair, walk forward, right, left. Rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp, stomp. I'm definitely on a bit of a hill just there. So that's your dance. Now it's a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the second wall. Right foot leading. 7, 8, side, touch, right chasse, back, rock. Side, touch, left chasse, back, rock. Rocking chair, walk forward, right, left. Rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp, stomp. Now we normally dance this dance as contra dance in 2 lines facing each other, so that when you walk forward, you actually pass. But unless you're fortunate enough to have 2 line dancers in the house at the same time, it'll have to be a non-contra dance. So, let's give it a go. Just music.
Don't bother telling me what I got coming in the morning. I already know. I got some feel-good heels and a red Gatorade by my bed, ready to go. I'm gonna do my best to dance with every girl in this bar before they shut it down. Then I'll pay my tab, climb in a cab, head on the spot downtown. It's all about tonight. Good times and the music and laughing and grooving to the band. Everybody's getting right. No worries, we're rocking all kinds of concoctions in our hands. Yeah, tomorrow can wait till tomorrow. It's all about tonight. If anything, I've been looking at you since the moment that you walked in. I got some wild ass buddies that love spending money, and I see you brought a couple of friends. Just tell me your name, I don't need your number or a date next Saturday. Baby, let's act like fools, break a few rules, party the night away. It's all about tonight, good times and the music and laughing and grooving to the band. Everybody's getting right, no worries, we're rocking all kinds of concoctions in our hands. Yeah, tomorrow can wait till tomorrow. It's all about tonight. It's all about tonight. Good times and the music and laughing and grooving to the band. Everybody's getting right. No worries, we're rocking all kinds of concoctions in our hands. Yeah, tomorrow can wait till tomorrow. I said tomorrow can wait till tomorrow. It's all about tonight. Yeah, it's all about tonight. Come on, it's all about tonight. We don't get our swerve on. Our blood's on. It's all about tonight. Come on, baby. I wouldn't worry about that. It's all about tonight.
Hope you enjoyed that and you just imagine somebody coming towards you on those walks. Well done.